Power.
I left on it at 12 to Obior.
Job. So what they are, I know more.
Every day, let's say, I ban office. I ban here. Oh, yeah, Bele. I ban him. And so one up, Bele. What? From the same locality with Commissioner of Information. These are my real money. I'm the leader presently in the Ndinaasubia cultural organization. We are cultural organization. These are my members. Your name?
Okay. My name is Son. Good afternoon, sir. And I am the publisher of Annual and Cultural Forum. Also a two-time special assistant to your sister Adana.
Oh, that's
Standing the existing protocol, sir, and Mr. Onyeme, the mayor of Otagono, Total West Local Government.
Please define Chico Ochonobo from Ebede in Okwane local government.
Osai, Unyamale Foibe from Okwane Total West local government.
My name is Chukwemeka Kogolo from Onitshubo in Anota North local government of Delta State.
My name is Osai Maluzu from the community in Upper West local government here at Delta
State. Twice to be here, but we understand that you're busy due to the call of the nature of your work. Thank God that we're here. Initially we actually wanted to speak to the governor, but we have a program that we organize that is coming up this weekend at Obior, 29th and 30th. And this program is targeting on uniting all the Bia-speaking communities in Delta and across the Federation of Nigeria. Everywhere, uniting all the Bia-speaking communities in Delta and across the Federation of Nigeria. Everywhere you see people that speak Bia, both in Delta,
That speaks Bia.
Bia means come. Yes. Ndinaasubia. That the people that speak Bia. So both in Kogi, Benue, River State, Cross River, the 5 Eastern States, and the River State, all the people that have that integration there, we are coming together to actually bring, because when you look at our culture and tradition, we are one, same, and we are uniting ourselves through tradition and culture. So by these 2 days, we are having 2 days conference, which we have guest speakers who will be coming to grace the occasion, like somebody like Professor Pato Tommy, and so on and so forth. Professor Paul from Delta State University. What are they coming to talk on? How to harness our cultural heritage, bringing us together for better economic benefit and align together for our political gain. So that's the reason why we're here. We want to invite you, rather the government officially, to help grace the occasion. We need an official opening of that occasion, 29th And we're having this occasion at the James Down Hotel at Oman City Gate. 29th and 30th is there.
They have said the date is that. Okay, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
And your royal mother here present. I welcome you to Office of the Chief of Staff, Government House and Servants. The focus or the purpose of this organization, of this body, was to unite. And even what the ceremony you are going to have is to bring together different culture of everybody who speaks Nigeria. Yes. So welcome. I think your purpose of unification is for a better group coexistence. That is only when we can have a harmonious coexistence, like you said, and promote our cultural heritage. Absolutely. Not because I'm a prince, so anything that promotes our culture. Was to support and encourage. And as a government, we want to do those things, promote movements or organizations that tend to bring people together for the betterment of our society. So I truly encourage you to work on movements or organizations that tend to bring people together for the betterment of our society. So I truly encourage you to work on this once more. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you, sir.
So we look forward to on the 29th. Yes. So God helping us, we'll see how we can be well represented as Obior.
Thank you several times, even when mother lived women at work,
Yes.
I was only of at
Oh, okay, yeah, because she was here not even long before she passed on.
I was with her.
Okay, I was really very shocked at her.
Well, no problem.
Oh, thank God, it pleases God, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I've done my job.
Absolutely.
We need to continue.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations for your acceptance to the role of Omo. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
that's fine. It's all right. I welcome all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
On the 29th.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the opening ceremony.
Yeah, for the opening, just to get the place open.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for coming to see us. Congratulations to the party and presence. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you.